Hey guys, welcome to Nika New TV. Today we have Halloween gummies that are spiders and ladybugs from me. You have a spider and a grasshopper. So we are gonna unbox these. These are actually insects, but we never ate them before. So but they kind of got a little bit destroyed. Would you like to see mine? It got a little bit destroyed right there. Can you see?
And mine got a little bit destroyed like this.
Yeah. So we are gonna unbox them.
I'm going to unbox this guy.
I'm gonna unbox this one. These are really easy actually to unbox them. But you might be careful because you need to be very gentle before they come out. I know, because they're really hard to peel. Because they have tape on them to stick it on.
You're supposed to eat it tomorrow, you know that? Not today. If you open it, you have to eat it. Why don't you just share one?
Eat one.
Share one. You. Share Yumi's.
Probably I should eat his.
Okay.
So I am gonna eat mine tomorrow. So we bought a few groceries just now. But can I tell you something? My daddy says when he comes back from work, I must say it's Yumi time, so he must stop using his phone. So we must go out to buy something at night. So tomorrow, I must go swimming class. I better help my brother now. How to eat it? Let me help you. How to eat it? Actually, I'll eat it tomorrow. So gross! No! Wait! Let me check. But we must make sure it doesn't stick to anything. It feels so oily on the plastic. Okay, let me feel it. Ew, sticky.
Oh, yeah.
Just pop it out.
Pop
Should we
it out.
eat it together? So we are gonna.
I'm gonna have this piece.
Hey, you broke it.
I'm gonna have this piece.
Bite it. It's very stretchy. It's very. My brother broke the legs. Look. So inside.
This part tastes good.
All right, brother. As you mean in the last time.
I'm going to eat the face.
But we're just recording it with Daddy's regular phone, not a camera. He is holding it. So, but these taste very good, but they actually feel like they're real gummies in the gummy bear, gummy worms.
Bye. Thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe to Nika New TV.
Hey, I want to eat the whole thing. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Well, and next time subscribe and if you want to do video, give this video a thumbs up. And you want us to
Hey, look, this is a little bit red on my nose.
And if you want to see the bigger Coca-Cola, and we eat the tiny Coca-Cola last time. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and press go to press the subscribe button. So the D is there. So you must watch some of our shows and tell me if you like them. Bye.